So, hello everyone. Today is day 44, I think. मुझे हर बार काउंट करना पड़ता है. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Today is day 44 and the date is 13th February 2026. And what now? Okay, so I'm recording it on 15th February actually. I just felt like I don't want to record. Matlab, it was like somewhere I was feeling very lazy. That's why. So I think it's okay. Sometimes you can take break and record it later on. So that's why I have written everything on a diary. So today I will be talking according to this, as sometimes it's like I used to forget what happened in the last day, so that's why I've just write it down. Whatever, my English is not that much good, but okay, no problem. So 13th February, right? It was a normal day. My father went somewhere, like there was a marriage, I think. So me and my mother was only here, and she made aloo bangan ki sabzi with chawal with rice. It was very tasty, really very tasty. Even today, on the third day also, I had that aloo bangan ki sabzi because it was so tasty. Just a single spoon was left, and I ate with it today's lunch, 15th February lunch. So it was that much good. And I helped my mother while cooking and recording the videos and the other things. So it was a quite normal day. There was no fight. And yes, in the evening I thought that because I was not feeling that much hungry, so I thought, okay, I will not eat dinner on the 13th February. And I did. I didn't ate that aloo bangan sabji with roti, because in the dinner it was like this. So I felt very light actually, because from the last few days I was feeling very, bloated somewhere, you can say, or maybe very heavy. I was feeling very heavy by through my stomach, so it was very light. It was very good, really. And then in the evening, sorry, in the night, in the midnight actually, that is on the 14th February. So I felt that I need to eat something, because I was because I was working on my these YouTube channels, and like doing the titles and description, hashtag and all those things. So I just then I thought that, okay, now I will eat it. So I had that like I had my dinner on the 14th Feb night. And and the thing is that I ate a lot. So I think the problem is that I realized that I am eating the right thing and at the right time also, but the quantity is too much. That's why I was feeling very heavy, very bloated, because after eating a lot you need to have some water also, and my body needs water too much, because I was eating too much, like out of my capacity, you can say. So that's why I think I was feeling that way. Or in that night also, because I was not sleeping, because it was like in the morning I will go to the lab and for regular checkups, for my regular checkups. But I didn't went over there on the next day. Maybe because I was not my sleep was not complete, or I don't know, because I felt okay, because after eating nothing, I felt that I think I'm okay, but I need to just take care of the things, that what I'm eating, at what amount I'm eating. So actually the thing is this. So this is how my day was. And it was kind of a green day, I can say, because I helped my mother. And I didn't eat dinner, like, and then I was feeling really very good. Like I did something for my health, because obviously green days are for my health. Or if I just read out something or just walked around somewhere like for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour. And red day if I was not feeling well, or it was something like that, it affected me mentally. So it is a red day. So I think it was a good day, because I at least had this thought that, okay, I will go to the lab and I will have that whole body checkup. And so I think that's it. So it's a green day, and it's 13th February, 43 43 44th day, I think, and 44th day, 13th February 2026, and it's a green day. So let's celebrate, because it's a green day. Okay then, tata, bye bye. So that's how my day was, and I'm happy that it was quite good. Not that bad, at least not a red, not even a single red dot, I can say. So it was all okay, because, or maybe it can be also like this, because I am feeling, because I have not written anything here. There is no red, there is no green. Even on the 14th Feb I have written half red half green on 14th Feb, for 14th Feb, because I didn't record it on 14th also. So on 13th I have not written anything. It was like a blank day, that there is no green, there is no red. But right now I think maybe I'm feeling very good, or we feeling very happy. That's why I think it's a green day. So it's a kind of a mixture of 15th February to plus 13th February, maybe it can be like this. But it's okay, if I'm thinking it positively, then it's a green day. So it's a green day. So it's 43 day of my 365 day series, and it's a green day, that is 13th Feb 2026. Okay,